Hey guys, Fanatical130 here, and I'm going to show you the Colt tactical pen. But before that, I'd just like to say something. I got this from Henny Haynes. Yep, Henny Haynes is a very good brand. It's not really a brand, it's more of a shop, England shop, and it's sort of like survival gear and all this type of stuff. And it's very good, very good. So just go to the website henny.com or Henny Haynes, click it, Henny Haynes, and then just go to all this. But as you can see, I am wearing the survival bracelet, and I'm going to show you the Colt. So this is the Colt tactical pen. Got DNA collector on the top, glass breaker on the bottom. If you pull it out, that comes. What you do, if I show you, ow, just put that in, as you can see, injured. What you can also do is you can put them back, so you've got the DNA collector and the pen. I think it's very good. It's on the heavy side, but it's on the heavy side because it's made out of the Colt gun material. Okay. So I'll do a proper review on it later time. I've got to figure out how to use it and all that stuff. But let's go to this. Water purification tablets, 50. Haven't used these yet. Very good, I have to admit. And they're only small. If I can open them. Which I can. Damn it. It's always seems to happen there. Oh. Water purification tablets. You can see. They're very small. Very, very small. So we got that as well. We got 2 of them. 1, 2. Let's put them over there. So also got 25 meters of paracord. Very nice. I got this off eBay for like £2.50. Very good. Haven't used any yet. Don't know how to cut it. Any suggestions? Put it in the comments. Okay. First aid kit. 30. I think it's like 24. So you got scissors, duct tape, that, and you got a lot of them. Very nice. Then sheath, whatever you want. It's got a belt strap, quite flimsy, but it'll do. Safety goggles. Very nice, very nice. They're white. I want to get like shades, but I can get them later. As you can see, the one where I stung myself matches on the side. Very nice. Haven't used these yet. I also have this. These are just bits of bark I've taken off, and these are good fire starters. And this is if I'm going to be lazy and I don't want to do hardly any work. Just put these and they will catch light really easily. I did these like 3 weeks ago and they're still getting really nice. So yeah, also have this. These are the big ones, like longer ones. The longer ones, yep. I also have Zippo outdoor fire starter. It's a cedar fire starter, so it's like that one. It's just this one's like cedar. Can you see it? Cedar fire starter. This is from Henny Haynes. Very good deal. £2. £2 for this. You can split into whatever you like. It says 4. 4. But I don't know. I'll probably split into more. Okay, we have this little box. If you haven't seen my last video, it's a compass. It's working now. Last time it wasn't working, but it's working now, so that's good. I'm probably going to put some paracord wrap around that and put it on my neck. It's going to be very good. Okay, this. Actually, not that. This. I got 2 of these. Flint and steel. This Nintendo box. Don't know why I got that. Filled with these. You never know when you need these, and these sort of my like bearings for the catapult, which is very nice. Last of all, the balaclava. Now I love that balaclava, very nice balaclava. So that's all now, and so it's all there. I'd just like to say thank you very much for all the comments. Tactical Pineapple and Nextlvldipper. I'm going to put Nextlvldipper's channel in the bottom. The link's in the description. So not links, it's going to be the name. And he's such a great guy. Does things like me, and it's so good. I think he should have loads more subscribers. He's just underrated, I think. It's like Henny Haynes. Very underrated. So, Nextlvldipper, you're going to get more subscribers, hopefully. Okay, see ya.